Hello, amazing Canva fam. I hope y'all are doing great. Today we're starting something really amazing. As someone who has used Canva for over 2 years, I decided to break it down completely for the beginners who struggle learning Canva. I know where you're stuck and what are the hurdles you're facing. I have been there. So let's help you learn Canva with each and every detail. I will not make weird promises, but I'm sure by the end of this series, you will be able to master the basics and beyond, create original designs, build your digital presence, monetize your skills, and much more. And here is our complete syllabus that we will be covering, and for today, we are on the first chapter, Introduction. Go to Google and search for Canva, and create a brand new account. If you're a beginner, the sign-up process is very easy. If you have an account already, you can skip this part. Add your email and username and the code that is sent to the email. If you're having any problem signing in, you can comment below. Now here is the interface that will appear. It will ask you for what purposes are you creating the account. More often we use it for personal projects, so I'd recommend selecting that option. On the next page, it will ask if you're interested in buying Canva Pro, but I'd recommend if you're starting out, stay on Canva free version, because there's a lot you can do on free version. And this entire series is based on designing in Canva free version. After this series, I don't think you will need a subscription, but you can still buy because till then, you will be very efficient in using Canva. So this is your homepage that will appear. Canva interface is very beginner-friendly and easy to understand. First, we will move to the left sidebar. This is the icon from where we go to a blank page and create from scratch. This is the homepage. This is the projects section where your projects are saved. This is the template section from where you can find a lot of templates to customize according to your needs. This is the brand section where your brand stuff is saved. I'll skip for now because it's in Pro version. This is Canva AI, and let me tell you, bestie, it's very useful. Some of its features are in Pro, but it can be used for free. Let's explore one by one. When you go to Create section, you will find a variety of dimensions to use. First, we have Presentation section. In this, you will find a perfect dimension used to create presentations. Next, we have Social Media section. You will find a variety of dimensions that are used for the posts of Facebook, Instagram, etc. You can pick any dimension you're looking for and start designing from scratch. Next is Photo Editor. This tool is mostly used if you are looking for color grading or any edit for your photos from gallery. Next section is Video section. You will find the video dimensions here. For example, perfect dimensions for your Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube videos, etc. You will find them here. Next section is Doc section. Perfect for documents, for example, A4 dimensions, A5 dimensions, etc. Next, we have Whiteboard section, and it is used for visual planning on an infinite digital canvas. Next, we have Sheet section. This section organizes your data just like we do in Microsoft Excel. Next is Code section, and it is Canva's AI code generator for building interactive designs, apps, and websites using simple text prompts without needing to write any actual code. Next, we have Websites section. This is one of the favorite thing of Canva. I never thought I'd be able to create amazing and stunning interactive websites on Canva. Absolutely amazing. It has its dimensions written below. Next section is Email section. It is useful if you do email marketing. All of these useful dimensions. But still, if you're looking for creating something on your own, Canva has a customized size section in which you simply put the number of width and height and it creates the blank page for you. You can change the dimensions from here in inch, millimeters, and centimeters, but mostly px is used. For example, if I add 600 length and 600 height, it will create a blank square page for me to design. Coming back to the home page, let's try Canva AI for a design. Here is the prompt that I'm giving. Create a realistic image, ad based, of a sunscreen on sand with sun rays reflecting on it. The brand name is Canva Crafted and the packaging is orange. Canva AI will now generate 3 to 4 images for you, and you can use anyone you like. And here are the results. Wow, this is actually very amazing. You can pick any image you like and customize it accordingly, and add text to it wherever you want. Now let's get back to the homepage and go to Template section. Here you can find thousands of customizable free templates, but I always prefer creating from scratch. If you still want to save you some time, then you can use it by changing everything completely so it can be created by you completely. And here you can see a lot of templates ready to use. And on top of everything, all of these are completely free to use. The one having the crown icon is for Canva Pro users. So these were the essentials you needed to know before hoping up to designing from scratch. I'd recommend to stay consistent so you can learn as much Canva as possible. So this was the part 1 of Introduction. Next chapter is Introduction Part 2. See you in the next video. Goodbye.